All right, let's open this up here real quick. Ooh, nice. More nice. Let me put that there because that goes to the presentation. Guys, the Kith 2160s are in the house. And you guys know, if you've been following the channel, when it comes to Kith, I'm all in, bro. I'm all in. Let's get into these bad boys. Yes, guys, because these are... No Diddy. No Diddy. Don't be acting weird on me now. Let's get... You know what? I'm not even going to keep going. Where's my intro? Where's my intro? What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all good things, guys. And like I was saying about these bad boys right here, guys, when it comes to Kith has become my favorite brand, period. Like, when it comes to at least clothing, collaborations, I love the simplicity of the actual shoes. I love everything that has to do with Kith. I love the quality of the clothing. Grade A quality. Yes, a little bit in the expensive side, I'm not gonna lie. Like, for example, this is the Batman and Kith collaboration. And yeah, you're looking at probably 70, 80 bucks for a shirt or something like that. But quality is second to none. Second to none. And you're really gonna pay for that exclusivity of quality. That's the way I see it. Not just the exclusivity of, oh, I'm wearing Kith. No, the quality. That's what I'm all about. And when it comes to the collaborations, it's not radical. It's not crazy. It's right. It's just right. Makes the person look and say, damn, I wonder what those are. I haven't seen that colorway before, at least for the people that are into the sneaker community. But anyways, guys, let's not waste any more time. Let me get into these extremely quick. But before I even get to that, yeah, I know, guys. You guys might hate my guts already, me doing that. We gotta get into the presentation. Yes. All right, guys, right there. Very simplistic. Well, let's put it like this. It's so simple, it's actually boring when it comes to this box. This is one thing that I truly don't agree with, but I'll talk to you in just a little bit about that. Nothing, just a big Asics logo in the top, and the sides absolutely nothing, just a little Asics logo. The back of the box, nothing, and more nothing. And just the QR codes right there, GT2160, cream solar power, size 10. Of course, guys, I will get into the sizing at the end of the video, or sort of the end of the video, whatever, guys. But it does come with something nice, at least when it comes to these shoes, and it comes with 3 different type of laces. It comes with a white pair of laces, as you guys can see right there. It comes with a cream pair of laces. Get the money. And it comes with the, I guess, half type of thing there. You know, a little gradient coloring going on. Very nice. 3 different shoelaces. It's so magnificent, so magnificent. I love it, I love it, I love it. The box, donkey crap. I don't like it whatsoever. Very unsatisfied with that. Very unsatisfied with that. Give me at least something. Give me, I don't know, put Kith in there. Do something in there. Do something, man. Add a little pizzazz to this. You know, it's so simple. So, and I'm not gonna say that all the collaborations when it comes to Kith have been like that. Because the Marvel collaboration, that is my favorite collab of any sneaker in the history of me collecting in over 20 years of collecting shoes. My favorite collab is the Asics and Marvel. So there's no excuse there. You cannot get a better presentation than that. It even comes with the damn comic. But when it comes to these type of collaboration, I guess they're so minimalistic that it's just less, even more minimizing. Anyways, guys, enough of the presentation. I'm not going to waste the whole review on that damn thing. Anyways, guys, you already know how I start this, bro. The materials. That would make me laugh, though. Guys, if you take yourself too serious in life, remember, guys, you're not gonna come out of it alive anyway. So, and second best, and the toolbox. Well, of course, in prototypical Asics fashion, quality. That's all I'm gonna say. Quality. And now that I'm looking at the shoe, it actually comes with a 4th pair of laces in yellow. Check it out, bro. I didn't even notice that. Yo. Also, guys, it's so many shoes. So many shoes. I get them. Oh, hell yeah, bro. The kid out of the pay attention to the rest. And when I do my reviews, I just get on I get in the groove. I just get in the groove. Get it. I don't even know what else I was going to say. I get in the groove, get the shoes. Ooh, yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Let's get into it, you know. And in this case, guys, I have a bunch of pairs of 2160s already. And I didn't try them out or anything like that. It's not like it's my first pair of 2160s. So I just get them. I like them. I look at them around, but I didn't even notice that. Look at this thing. No, it's like a barrage of shoelaces. All right, enough of the talking. Let's get back to the shoes. So besides that, the shoelaces are yellow, you know, and this one, very nice, man. I'm still surprised with that. I love it. They spent like $500 on laces alone. No matter, guys. Let's keep going with the shoes. The toe box. Yes. Very high quality mesh. Of course, Asics, the best. I love it. Probably right there with Nike when it comes to my favorite brands of shoes. Beautiful look all the way. The whole front of the toe box and that polished pewter color. Don't be thinking nothing weird color. That's what it's called. Pewter color. Very beautiful with the spike in yellow, the 3 little dots in yellow as well with the embossment. Beautiful, man. And it has that underlaying piece right there that it is synthetic leather when it comes to that. Going to the top of the shoe, you guys see the little differences of the yellow that has like a honeycomb type pattern in it, and it has that pewter color surrounding it, you know, like in the top and in the bottom. Very nice. The whole tongue meshed out, the same mesh as the toe box and the rest of the shoe that we'll get into it in just a little bit. Right there, you guys see all the way in the top, the mesh does change when it comes to where the actual logo's at. Where the logo's at, it's like in a checkered pattern, as you guys can see, and it says Asics surrounded in yellow. Very nice. Going into the insole of the shoe, oh man, look at that. Asics 2160 Kith. Yes, I like that sole right there so much I'll probably even take that off. I don't want, even though the insole on Asics are out of control. But anyways, I don't want to ruin that. But it is what it is, guys. So yes, very nice. It's all yellow and all the printing on it is in white. Going to the side of the shoe, as you guys see, the exact same mesh. That one thing that I love about this shoe is the simple fact how it has all the synthetic leather or leather, you know, for the material experts. Yes, it has it all right there, and you see on the underlay all the mesh that it gives it a very nice touch. The shoe is beautiful. I love it. One of my favorite Asics of all time. The logo very nicely detailed, all the sewing perfect. Of course, guys, Asics in the his house, no glue marks. They don't play that game, son. All the way in the back, you guys see embossed into that pewter color leather. You know, I'm starting to feel a little weird already saying the pewter color. Let's go with silver. Let's go with silver. You guys see the GT 2160. Very nice. And all surrounded with the outlines in yellow. Going all the way to the back of the shoe. Right there, you guys see where the ankle collar is at. That besides it's the mesh around it, the same as the rest of the shoe. That mesh that's on top of the actual ankle collar is the same as the front of the tongue. And that right there, that little piece that you guys see, that little embossment and lines, that is actually 3M. In the bottom, you guys see the logo, but instead of saying Asics, it actually says Kith. Yes, guys, big showing off on this one. Big showing off. Everybody could see the Kith right there. You know what I'm saying? No, that's what I like about it. Nice and simple. You don't got a bunch of haters on you constantly. Even though haters are gonna hate, lovers are gonna love. I don't want none of the above. I just want to shit on you. Yes. Let's just get straight to the point, bunch of haters. Let's get to the shoes. And yes, it is surrounded with all the silver coloring. Very beautiful. Let's get into that midsole, bro. Look at the details on that midsole. Look at all the embossment. Beautiful, man. I love the midsole on this. Right there in the mid half of the shoe, you see the silver that actually goes into the sole of the shoe, but we'll get there in just a bit. All the way in the back, you guys see the gel technology in that transparent, bright yellow color. Very beautiful, man. I love that right there. I love how they make that gel technology clearish. Very nice, very nice. Not gonna lie. Going to the sole of the shoe, you guys see all that yellow with the edgings and white, all the detailing in black. Just love the way they actually put attention to all these little details, man. I don't really like it, dude. Right in the middle, you guys see that shank in silver. You guys see like under the plastic, there's still details in there. It's crazy, you know, the little lines. It's just crazy how much detail Asics puts into the shoes. Sometimes it's just astonishing when it comes to the details, to the heel time. And right there, as you guys can see, the heel, it says gel. Once again, all the embossment, the black surrounding it with the yellow outlining. Very nice, man, all the way through, guys. Now, if there's a difference between this one and the actual left pair, no, they're identically the same. You know what? Let me double check this real quick. No, there isn't. They're both the same. Let me just make sure. You know what I'm saying? Let me just make sure. It already got me surprised with the yellow laces. But anyways, guys, they're identically the same. It still says Asics. Everything is identically the same. And so the whole shebang. When it comes to the sizing of these shoes, well, very controversial when it comes to me. Somebody actually, I remember when I reviewed, many moons ago, I reviewed the Cayano 14s. I went half a size up. To me, for some reason, Asics runs not snug. They run small on me. And I bought a size 10 and they fit perfect. Perfect. I'm talking about not super big or anything like that. Just perfectly aligned. Let's just put it like that. Perfectly aligned to the foot. And a few months later, the guy ended up buying the shoes. And I guess, you know, one of the followers or something like that. Maybe he's not even a follower. God knows. And he actually complained about it. Oh, bro, you said it was a... You guys gotta stop taking all this so crazy like this, dude. And there's one thing that I don't like about the sneaker community is how far... I wanted to say something messed up, you know what I'm saying? But how far people take it. Like, I thought I was weird by having this weird obsession of things. No. When you hear the things that, when you're a YouTuber and you do this and you read the comments and you hear people's opinions, it's on and beyond. The guy's blaming me for, oh, you gave me a wrong sizing. Bro, are you kidding me, bro? Like, yo, it's my foot. My foot. Not yours. You know, it's like, I cannot pinpoint. Guys, I try to be as cool as possible, but it's hard for me to stop myself from calling these idiots, numbnuts. It's just, dude, go and try them out yourself. You're going to hear one reviewer, go to another reviewer, go see another reviewer, and you just, yo, he said this, and this is what's gonna be. My foot ain't yours, dude. It's not your foot. Maybe you have short toes, long toes, nasty nails, you know? Maybe, I don't know, maybe you got a fungal problem in your nails and they're this fat. I don't know that, dude. I always say what I run, and if you're gonna blind buy it, I'm always going to tell you to go true to size or half a size up so it won't hurt your foot. It's always better safe than sorry. So please, sorry for my rant over here. Actually, I'm not sorry at all. I don't give a shit. I'm telling you the truth. Don't bitch and moan about sizing to me. You come with that nonsense, I'm deleting your comment. Straight up. And the same way that any stupid comment that I see, they're deleted. I don't need none of that garbage in my channel, especially those type of individuals. So I went half a size up, guys, half a size up, and it runs perfect to me. If you would blind buy these shoes, I recommend going half a size up. Nice. Guys, I think I've had enough of the ranting. You guys got a laugh out of it. That's all I care about in reality, guys. You know, I do all this just I honestly care less what the hell anybody says, you know. I just like having fun, guys. You know, people love when the Primster comes out. You know what I'm saying? The Prince. You know, everybody, guys, is an old character of mine. The Prince. I just bitch and moan about everything. Don't worry about it, guys. Anyways, yes, for my Asics lovers right there, not the people with no swag. Right there, I do recommend them 100%. I love them, guys, and no, I am being truthful about it. These are my favorite shoes at the moment. They really are. And I would prefer an Asics 2160, a Kayano, a Gel NYC over, excuse me to say, maybe all Nikes except the premium Pegasus. Those are sick too. Those are very sick. Those are actually tied with, and maybe a little bit when it comes to comfortability, but they're there with my Kayano 14s, and these are badass too. Anyways, guys, yes, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Let's have fun. Let's just have fun, bro. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. Hey, go away.